Makikita mo na effort talaga to defend at the net itong UE. Oof.
Hello, with some velocity for Dan Nicolas.
Yan ang sinasabi ko, kaya nanghihinayang ako pag di nila pinapalo because ito yung possibility when they do. Just look at that.
Rahim serving. They target Aligayon. Bicar back to Tebs. Straight to the pavement.
Yan ang sinasabi natin. Kung makakabawi ba si Aligayon as expected, he does. Sa mga inaabangang how he played from season 86 after that hit.
Now to Santiago, a back set for Rahim. Villanueva inangat. Aligayon from the open. Getting a little crafty with that one.
Back-to-back hits from Aligayon, and based on his body language, you can see him really regaining his confidence.
It's 5 points now for Kamaymayan as well. The toss to Dan Nicolas. Pinakita yung airtime.
Pababawiin ni Clarence itong kanyang and yan yung kagandahan sa mga floater, biglang bumabagsak.
A high bump set. Aligayon. Give it to the hot hand.
So,
Mixing it up is Coach Carlo. Nice receive by Aligayon. And that is the result.
Feo continues to contribute. Kanina ganda na naging block niya.
Back set. And flying high is Piozas. He targets Soto, Santiago, Rahim. You do not want to know the velocity on that hit.
And with that reaction after,
we're getting a game within a game here with Rahim and Aligayon. Right on cue!
That did not look like a pipe attack.
And UP slowly getting momentum here. Castrodes will serve it up. Over receive, regalo from Dan Nicolas. A 2-point lead here is UE. Sharp serve. Rahim from the back.
Oh, sharp serve. Returned by a sharp attack. It is becoming